Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have 2025 Moto Morini X-Cape 700, the best new adventure motorcycle you must buy. The 2025 Moto Morini X-Cape 700 offers a compelling package for those seeking a budget-friendly yet capable adventure bike. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin, this bike strikes a balance between off-road capability and everyday practicality. With a sleek design, enhanced suspension for better handling, and a host of tech features, the X-Cape 700 is perfect for both beginners and seasoned riders. 2025 Moto Morini X-Cape 700. MSRP $8,999. Engine 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid cooled. Power 60 horsepower. Torque 56 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed gearbox. Seat height 32.3 inches. Weight 215 kilograms. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Features: TFT dashboard with smartphone connectivity, ride-by-wire throttle, adjustable suspension, ABS and traction control, LED lights and ergonomic handguards, large front wheel for off-road capability. Chassis and suspension. The X-Cape 700 features a steel frame with long-travel suspension designed to handle rough off-road terrain while providing stability on paved roads. The front suspension consists of inverted telescopic forks, with approximately 170 mm of travel, and a monoshock rear with travel around 150 mm, ensuring off-road capability and comfort. It is equipped with spoked wheels, 19-inch front and 17-inch rear, helping provide better off-road traction. Design. The design is more modern and minimalistic, with sleek lines and a slightly aggressive stance suitable for adventure riding. It includes features like large foot pegs, ergonomic handlebars, and an easy-to-read TFT display. The matte finish and angular body panels provide a contemporary look. Target audience. Targeted at budget-conscious adventure riders who seek an affordable yet capable bike for both daily commuting and weekend off-road riding. It's also aimed at beginners and intermediate riders looking for an adventure bike that offers reliable performance without excessive weight or complexity.